Yo, what's up? Okay, so today we are in Sanur in the morning having a breakfast. Yeah, enjoying the day. And the good news, I want to share a good news to you. I already got a new job. Yay!
Oh, congratulations, Saya.
So to celebrate that, let's have a breakfast by the beach today. And they have a very nice breakfast offer for 75K.
You like promo, Saya?
I like promo. 75K, you can get coffee and any kind of the egg dishes purchase.
It's just cool. And the beach is actually over there. There's the brand new promenade. And the promo is somewhere over there, as you can see, 75. So cool. We're gonna show you around. Alright, so this is our egg benny. We order egg benedict, obviously, in hot cappuccino as package 75,000 plus plus. In the hotel is very nice. We are in the one of the hotels of the South Sanur, which is very enjoyable because there is the ocean over there and there is the nice breeze at morning. It's so enjoyable just to be here. But check this out over there, how the area, where is the breakfast, the buffet breakfast for the guests of the hotels, how busy is it actually over there. We were coming to this hotel previously during pandemic and was nobody here or nearly nobody, but now it seems like it's actually really busy already, which is very happy days. And of course, we are not staying in this hotel today on particular occasion, but you can come to nearly any hotel you want in Bali and just buy breakfast and enjoy if you like. And actually in this particular one it's pretty affordable.
We will stroll around to show you how is the southern part of Sanur. Maybe because most of you have been, asking that where to stay in Sanur and how it is Sanur, south of Sanur nowadays. So yeah, we will stroll around and show you, and probably later on you will think where you're gonna stay in a southern part of Sanur.
Yeah, as you can see also, quite a lot of people enjoying their time before breakfast is finished. The beach is like this one, very beautiful, very calm. Today is a little bit cloudy, so it's not so sunny, which is actually cool sometimes. And also you can have, breakfast or lunch somewhere here, like this one, facing the ocean. It's very, very nice vibes here in general in South Sanur. We're not filming here very often, but it's definitely very worth to come and have a look. Like this one, that's the beach situation, restaurant situation, hotel situation. And yeah, let's have a stroll a little bit around. They made some refurbishments recently due to the brand new promenade, of course, as this one, as you can see. So it's really enjoyable to walk at night. They have lights here, actually, in this particular hotel. Every tree looks like a Christmas tree, but that's actually nice, very nice. I like it. And we're gonna show you that's the swimming pool situation. We were coming here very often during the pandemic times because that was the only one of two, maybe three hotels what was open all the time, and that was actually very enjoyable. And that's the lounge area.
It's very, very chill. I think that the southern part of Sanur is more chill, for those of you just want to escape from hustle and bustle life. Maybe kuta lagian, maybe tired of that, but wants to still have a beach option, which is a family friendly. So yeah, it's recommended to come here.
Also very nice thing about this particular hotels here, they actually three only in this south area, is that they're still very quiet. The music here, you can find gamelan in the background. The staff is often not like students but experienced ones, so they have a little bit different level of hospitality, if you know what I mean. It's a little bit different vibe. You can feel the old Bali still here a little bit at least, especially if you are going to Canggu like we were yesterday, for example. It's totally different. So South Sanur, it's very nice in my opinion. However, as always, not for everybody, but Bali is big enough as somebody should find something what is the best for you in general. And there is like a little path here connecting between two hotels, heading now into another one. There was so refurbishments here going on, and they cut off the palm trees what were here actually. That's sad, but the beach is nice, and also on the other side you can find a private Villa Chimara, and this is private owned villa. Somebody owned this. I think somebody stay here right now even. So It's happy days. I think this villa is for rent in general, like a holiday rental villa. And here we go, another hotel today on the list, one of the three of them. This hotel particular one, it was pretty deserted during the pandemic times, and I heard a little bit run down, but now it's getting better and better as they made so many refurbishments and people coming back again to staying in this hotel. So it's very happy days to see that, and looks definitely much way more optimistic. I still remember when this side, this wing of the hotel and swimming pool were totally closed, out of business. It was very sad view actually. But now restaurant. Hi, how you doing? Some guests here. I think they recognize me. One of my probably viewers, subscribers. And the bar here is open with gelato. So happy actually as those hotels are coming back to business somehow. It took them a while because it's already, well, nearly April, right? Tomorrow will be April. So it took them like literally 1 year to come back, but at least they come back. That's the most important thing. And if nothing silly gonna happen in the world in another 12 months, probably next year at this time everything will be even better than it is now. However, we are living in times when we cannot be sure of anything, but hopefully we have to be optimistic, right? Bamboo Bar is still closed. I mean, it's open, but well, it's morning time, breakfast time. It's not really drinking time. It's the pizza shop also here, and they make it also very nice looking lounge here all this night. That's actually interesting, but South Sanur is actually popular for the, well, like they said, all this, no offense, but the young people actually also coming here and staying. Those hotels, all of them, they are like 50 years old, so many of you guys who were in your 20s, 30s, you remember these hotels, and now obviously you are 50 years old, older, and still those hotels still exist here. Also during the pandemic, this place, Basilico Italian restaurant, was open for the breakfast. However, it's not anymore. We had a breakfast with Winnie once here. And also at the front, there is the Rip Cool School right now. So the surfers and kite surfers learn here. They have also foreigner instructors here. So a lot of young people and a lot of schools coming here to train yourself, as you can see, like this one. I think they collaborate together with hotel. That's why they open something like this one, which is cool. In my opinion, it's cool, like this one. Here we go, and people cycling at morning, so totally different vibe and very enjoyable, I have to say. Anyway, one more view of Sanur. That's how does it look like at morning. And also they have some catamarans here recently. And also between the hotels you can find some little cozy cafes here. This one is actually open recently. There's some 2 villas, belongs to the hotel or private, but I think belongs to the hotel, but as just the villas. Not part of the rooms, just the villas. You can rent this probably. And another villa restaurant, and then there will be another third hotel. They are actually Purisantian Hotel, Frama Hotel, and Mercure Hotel. All of them, they are pretty old, but still running very well. Still nice hotels, obviously, and well, they change also a lot of things here when they start building the promenade. They built like a I don't know what is this. Is like a board house gallery and toilet, which is very cool. Also they have a playground for the kids recently, and of course between all of these hotels you can find areas like this, like a zones, public zones. So like I said, you can go either to the hotel or you can enjoy just the beach between the public zones. So it's really cool. So Sanur have a very similar vibe to Nusa Dua. Is just more accessible and little bit feels more local. And obviously this is the playground zone here. So many local kids and the foreigner kids enjoying time together. And of course the last hotel, famous looking legendary little bungalows, that belongs to the Mercure Hotel in Sanur. Very old hotel actually, but during the pandemic They struggle pretty a lot, but they are open again, and some people having here enjoying their holidays and stuff. So it's actually happy to see this everything going back to any kind of previous state. Maybe not normal, but at least previous stages. They have some bar here and everything. Definitely more alive and more cleaner and more tidy up, because during the pandemic the hotel was really run down. Now it's better. And of course the last position on the list will be Genius Cafe, which is independent cafe, but they signed a contract with the land with Mercure, as I know. This restaurant is here already also for like 10 years or something, targeting digital nomads in Sanur and eco-friendly stuff and healthy food, but it's nice. During the pandemic was open, used to coming here very often, but recently been a while when I was here last time. It's cool to be here again, and I just want to see what is just in the corner between hotels, because I heard as there is brand new construction of something. They're building actually hotel in Martasari over there. I can see some excavators. There's huge piece of land. However, I cannot see much because there is fence. This piece of land, actually, there is the hole in the fence I'm gonna show you. It belongs to different person, different owners, and it's nothing here. There is another wall, as you can see, but behind this one is another construction. Here we go. Where is the better looking fence? There's the construction of the hotel, and they already building pretty advanced. Seems like they building hotel with the villa bungalow styles, I could say, which is very interesting in Martasari area. Definitely villa bungalow style, ocean front facing a beach. It's gonna be very interesting and looks pretty fancy like for Sanur area. But that's cool actually, because this beach, everywhere here it was empty, and the land was empty since I remember. Never was any hotel here. So simply Martasari area is getting better and better. So Sanur, Martasari was very big hype in the 80s due to the Chinese investors here, but something went wrong until now wasn't much going on here at all. But now I know some local company actually building the resort here. I'm not sure. I think the brand will be local. It's not gonna be anything like a Four Seasons or anything fancy like that, but also not anything like a Marriott or Accor hotel group. Some local brand gonna be here, but potentially gonna look very cool. That's something definitely different, and I think it's definitely worth to wait for it. This area was like deserted for ages, for decades. Empty land and ugly looking fence, so it's definitely better than gonna be some nice looking resort now. And also something new in Sanur, because except renovated Hyatt Regency Hotel and brand new Holiday Inn, all the hotels are pretty old here. So old are nice, like I said today, but it's also good to having something brand new to attract brand new people who are coming to Bali for the first time, and not necessarily they wanna stay in the old hotel. Or maybe just simply some people just want to stay in the new hotel, which is pretty normal, right? All right, guys, that was a very slow video today in the South Sanur at morning. This is like a southwest Sanur actually, Martasari area. Hope so you enjoyed. I make this video very slow because in general life in this part of Sanur is going very slow generally. So you can feel the vibe, how does it look like, and if you are familiar, this is like a great memorial walk for you. If you are not familiar, you know what to expect in case if you would like to come in the nearest future here for the holidays. Also, I just realized very interesting fact, behind me is some lovely couple walking, and I was walking in the front of me, and everywhere around so many aunties trying to sell you something. They didn't try to sell me anything, but they sell to them. I wonder why they probably they already remember me as I'm just strolling here around. If this is very local area here, easy to remember, not as North Sindhu where so many aunties trying to sell everyone. Here people are not that pushy like in the Sindhu area. This is actually a huge difference between Sanur, because many people in Sanur going firstly to Sindhu area and suddenly they get not happy due to the pushy sellers, which is true. But in the South Sanur is definitely more calm, calm area here and calm vibe. So you could try it if you like. And basically that's how does it look like life in the South Summer. You can always let me know in the comment section what do you think about this one. Is it either for you or maybe it's too sleepy? Because you know everybody likes something different in Bali. And anyway, thanks so much. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya.